Welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. Now the previous practice drawings that we have covered earlier, they contained most of the times they contained a circle command, they contained polar array, but this time we have a polygon at the center and then we have some grooves that are linear as well as curved. So basically we are going to again start from the same center, but this time we are going to use polygon command for this hexagon, and after that we are going to create one object and then we will create a polar array. So I hope you guys have learned the procedure. Now just take a screenshot of this and start drawing alongside me to understand this drawing better. So without further delay, let's start drawing. So we are going to start from the central polygon that is there. So we will have to select polygon command, which you will find just below the rectangle command. So click on polygon and we need to specify the number of sides. So number of sides are 6. So type 6 and then press enter. Then we need to specify the center point of the polygon. Now if we have distance of center to the edge or corner of the polygon, we are going to specify the center. But if we have edge, or if we have the length of length of one side of that polygon, then we will have to click on edge. So we have the distance in our drawing, we have the distance from center. So I'm going to specify origin as the center, and basically this polygon that we are going to insert, this is inscribed in a circle. So click on inscribed and then specify this distance as 16 units and then press enter. Now take a look. So this is the polygon that we wanted to insert, but the angle that we wanted to insert on the angle on which we wanted to insert it, it's different. So we'll have to rotate it. So click on rotate, then click on the polygon, press enter. Then you will have to specify the point about which you want to rotate it. So this is the point, and then you can basically align it in whatever ways you want to. So that's how we are going to adjust the center of this polygon. Now I'm going to select a line from the center of this polygon, and the length of this line I'm going to take as 20, let's take it 30 or so length. So 16 basically will be till polygon. Okay, after that the next is, let's take it 25 and press enter and basically get out of this line command. Now what we need to do is we need to draw a circle of diameter 41. So select circle using center and diameter, then specify origin as the center point and specify diameter as 41 units and then press enter. Now this is something that we needed. After that we are going to create an offset. So click on offset, specify the offset of 5 and 9 units. So first of all we are going to use an offset of 5 units. Now click on this side, then again click on this side. So that's the first offset that we needed. After that, sorry, not 5, basically this offset needed was of 2.5. So let's press Ctrl Z, then specify offset of 2.5. Click on this line on this side as well as on this side. And another offset that we need is of 4.5. So type 4.5, press enter, select this line on this side and on this side. Now these are the offsets that were needed. I'm going to press enter and I'm going to trim the non-required portion. So we have a center. Basically we need to draw an arc. So we are provided with some values. Basically this is the center that we needed. So we can select a circle as well as we can select an arc. So it's totally up to us. So let's select circle and draw a circle, taking this as center and taking diameter as 5 and then press enter. Now we can trim the non-required portion from here now. So these are the sections that we do not need. Okay, and we don't need any of these things, so we can remove them as well as these sections, including these lines. So this was the portion that was needed to us. Now what do we need to do is we need to create another offset of required distance for upper arc. Basically the arc is of 9 diameter and inner one is of 5 diameter, so we need an offset of 2 units. Click on this one and click outside. So this was the offset that was needed. Now we are going to extend this particular curve till this point and it's done. Now we are going to use trim, TR, enter, and just remove these sections. So this is the portion that we needed. Now what do we need to do is we need to create a polar array of this section. Okay, so select it, then click on polar array, then specify this point as the center point. Okay, now number of items that we need is 6, so we do not need to change anything. Click on close array, and we need to trim some portion that we don't need. So click on trim and remove these sections that are of no use. So like this, 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 and this. After that, this, and this. Okay, so that was the drawing that we needed. Now what do we need to specify here? The dimensions. So click on dim diameter. This is the first dimension that was needed. Then the next diameter that we need is of this particular circle. Dim diameter for this one. Okay, is there any other diameter? So no. Now what do we need to specify here? We need certain linear dimensions. So click on linear. Start from this point, go all the way till this point and place it here. Right click and repeat. Now we need to mention this dimension, so this is a little bit error. Right click, dim linear, this point and this point, so this dimension was needed. Then 9, 5. Okay, I hope all the dimensions are there except angle. So we can specify the angle. So click on dim angular. Now basically we need an angle between this line and this line. So this is 60 degrees. So by default it will be 30 degree above and 30 degree below. Now for this particular drawing the dimension size is a lot larger, so we can reduce it using dim style command. Press enter, click on modify, and then reduce the text size, make it 2, click OK. Okay, we forgot the arrow as well, so click on symbols and arrows. Now reduce this size to 2 as well, click OK, and then click close. So it looks a lot better now. Now we are going to change the color of all of these dimensions so that they do not interfere with our main drawing. So let's select dimensions of all varieties and then let's go to color, change it, press escape. Now we have changed the color of this dimension. Now we are going to create hatch just to make it look a little bit appealing. So click on gradient. Let's use shades of blue itself. Now click inside this area, click on close hatch creation, then click on hatch again a gradient that we want, but this time we are going to use separate colors. Let's use a little bit lighter ones and click on close hatch creation. So these were all the dimensions that were needed. So I hope you guys have learned something new. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.